Let's look at using the foam roller on your thoracic cage. The purpose here is to increase the mobility of the ribs and the thoracic vertebra by addressing the musculature that's around each of the rib heads in the posterior. We're going to lie with the foam roller here across the spine from left to right, so perpendicular to the body. If we're in a sit-up position like this, we're going to allow the body to fall backwards, and then the foam roller strikes right around the mid-back region. And so in this position here, we're going to have our arms over our chest, wherever they're comfortable really. And then lifting the hip will allow the body to de-weight and put all the pressure into the foam roller. And as we're on the foam roller here, if we go too far, we find ourselves in the lumbar region that we don't want to be there. We want to be only in the thoracic region. So right where the rib cage ends is where we're going to go to our furthest limit in the inferior portion of it. And so when we're here, we can rock from side to side onto the rib heads and that musculature that's adjacent to the spine here. And we can rock back and forth, really fitting in to all those little regions adjacent to the spine there. We can go on the right side and then onto the left side. We can work all the way up to the tippy top just above the top of the scapula here. Once we go here, then we find ourselves into the neck. And yeah, we can use the foam roller on the neck here like this, but the goal is to really stop at the top of the spine there, which is T1, C7 region, right where that little bump is at the top of your thoracic cage. So all into the spaces here, we can rock back and forth, feeling the way that the foam roller fits into those regions. Once we are feeling pretty comfortable and everything's loose, then we're going to move on to using other implements to fit in adjacent to the spine. It's a little bit more precise.